Welcome to Theory at Innovation by Shea Homes. My name is TJ Foster. I'm your community representative here. Today we're going to take a look at our Plan 4 model. It's just over 1,700 square feet, featuring 3 bedrooms with 2.5 baths. Now this is all single level living here. We feature private garages, elevator access to your floor, and also solar is included here. We have a nice community center area which has a clubhouse, pool, gym, and a nice barbecue area as well. Come on up and take a look at the model with us.